if your refrigerator has stopped making ice. The supplying demand WR30X35287 ice maker Repl might be your fridge's new best friend. This ice maker steps in when your old one gives up. It replaces several common part numbers, like WR30X25223 and WR30X30099. Therefore, checking compatibility is simple. Think of it as a heart transplant for your ice-making system. Furthermore, it brings your ice supply back to life. You won't miss those frosty cubes for long. Thus, no more trips to the store for bags of ice. Moreover, this part is designed for easy installation. You don't need to be a repair wizard. When you install the supplying demand WR30X35287 ice maker Repl, it feels like magic. First, unplug your refrigerator for safety. Then, remove the old ice maker. Next, simply connect the new one. Finally, plug in your fridge. Within hours, ice production typically resumes. Therefore, your freezer will soon be overflowing. Imagine a steady stream of ice, always ready. Consequently, your drinks will stay perfectly chilled. Also, you'll be prepared for any impromptu gathering. This ice maker is a quiet hero. It works behind the scenes. Its goal is keeping your beverages cool. So, it truly becomes an essential kitchen component. Overall, the supplying demand WR30X35287 ice maker Repl delivers on its promise. It's a reliable replacement part. It brings back the joy of automatic ice. Moreover, it saves you money on service calls. Furthermore, it's a straightforward fix. It ensures your fridge runs smoothly. In summary, it's a small part with a big impact. This ice maker is like the conductor of an orchestra. It makes sure every cube plays its part. Hence, your family will appreciate the convenience. It's an easy-to-understand solution, and it genuinely brings frosty relief. Pros: easy installation, reliable ice production, exact fit, good replacement part, durable construction, factory certified, quick repair, consistent performance, convenient ice supply. Simple to replace features. For fridge, replaces WR30X25223, replaces WR30X30099 ice maker, new part, easy to install. Reliable performance, durable construction, cost-effective repair, supplying demand brand. This is a new supplying demand ice maker. Model WR30X35287. Designed to replace old or broken ice makers in your fridge. Specifically models WR30X25223 and WR30X30099. It's built to be easy to install and offers dependable, long-lasting performance, making it a good and affordable way to fix your refrigerator's ice maker. This refrigerator ice maker, model WR30X35287, is a great replacement part for your fridge. It's easy to put in and makes ice reliably. This ice maker is designed to fit perfectly and is built to last, providing a steady supply of ice for your drinks. It's a simple and quick fix if your old ice maker isn't working.